So this is the year of growth for all you people, especially regarding your career, your finances, the recognition you get in society, at your workplace, in your family. It's all complete a year of growth for all you people. You can expect a childbirth or a marriage by means, anyways, an addition in your family. So the roller coaster ride that was going on in your business, in your work, the ups and downs you were experiencing so far, so those are likely to come down, those are likely to get settled, and you can expect a better and smoother sail this year. It will be a more stable one this year. Those who are looking for a job, they will get one, and those who are already into job, they can expect good promotion and recognition at their work, especially those working at senior positions, and particularly those working in the field of financial accounting or any work that entails description or role that involves financial accounting. So those can get very good opportunities. So if you are looking for a switchover, then prefer these field, especially related to financial accounting. So this year will bring in a natural inclination towards investment in real estate. So you'll be looking for investing your money into real estate, and you will get one. So particularly not a built up property, but a land. You are likely to purchase a land and invest money into it, and it will be it will going to be a beneficial one for you people, right? And number one, people in general, they love traveling a lot, but this year will be a slightly different one, because you people, instead of opting for a leisure travel, so you will be opting for travel, a pilgrimage kind of thing, where you will be preferring to visit a place, a religious place rather, with your family, of course. And finally, those who want to get married, those looking for a marriage, and those are who are already into a relationship, especially with a partner that is much older than their age, or even older than their age. So they can expect a favorable year. They might get married in this year. This is a favorable year for them to get married with their partner, right? The only concern in the year 2022 for you people is your health, and that is also around the month of April end, around that time you might experience some uncomfortable things in your health. And if God forbid, if you get to see some symptoms, so you should get yourself checked up thoroughly, properly, and a thorough diagnosis must be done. You should not ignore those symptoms, so that a proper treatment, if it is required at all, so you can get a timely and proper treatment for that. Rest of this year 2022, it proves a very good year, a year of growth and success for you people. So there is a small success mantra remedy for you people, and that is to plant medicinal plants in your vicinity, in your premises, or in your close neighborhood. Might be your colony's garden, but you must ensure that that plant and its extract, its benefits are meant for community, not for your own self. Even if you plant it inside your house or in your premises, then you should try to gift it, give the extracts, or give the benefits, or its whatever is the outcome of the plant. So you should try to gift others free of cost, without any charges. So it will be kind of community service from your end, but if you do it throughout the year, so it will help you attract more and faster success and growth and all-round prosperity in your life in this year 2022. So with this note, I wish you all the very best, and I wish you all you people a very happy, healthy, and successful year 2022.